Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Miftahul Fatihah. You can call me Fatihah. I have student ID number is 21030059 and I come from class math non-edu 2021. Okay, I will explain about algebra. Okay, the algebra I am discussing now is first, history of algebra. Second, algebraic meaning. Third, algebraic calculation operations. And fourth, example question and their application in the life. First, history of algebra. Who has ever heard the term algebra? Algebra is a branch of mathematics that uses symbols and mathematics operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division to solve problems. Algebra comes from Arabic, which means restoration or complete. Do you know who invented it? He is a scholar named Al-Khwarizmi. Algebra is usually used to solve a problem in various fields of study such as mathematics, chemistry, biology, economics, and so forth. So, it is not just math, right? Therefore, this material is very important for you to understand. Now, let's take a closer look at algebra and how to solve its forms. Next, algebraic meaning. If you notice, the algebraic form above consists of the letter x as a variable, the number 2 as the coefficient of the x value, and the number 5 as a constant. Constants are fixed values, so their values are self-explanatory. Meanwhile, a variable is a value that is not fixed, so it can change. Then, variables can be symbolized using letters. For example, A, B, C, X, Y, and so on. Finally, the coefficient is the value in front of the variable. A variable must have something called a coefficient. Example of other algebraic forms, among others, are as follows: 2a, 3a plus 5, 4x squared plus 5x minus 6, 1 divide a plus 1 divide b, ab, 2a plus 3b, x squared minus y squared plus z squared, ax plus by divide c. Oh yes, in addition to the term constant, variable, and coefficient in algebra, you will also find other terms such as term and factors. First, term which is a constant or variable and its coefficient. Between terms can be combined using an addition or subtraction operation. Example, A consists of the term which is a constant. 9a plus 2b consists of the term namely 9a and 2b which are connected using our addition operation. 3n 2 minus 2n minus n consists of three terms namely 3n2, 2n, and n, which are connected using a subtraction operation. Ethnic groups can be divided into similar and dissimilar tribes. It is said to be like terms if the variable and the rank of the variable are the same. However, if the two are different, it is called a dissimilar tribe. Example, 2p 2k plus 5p 2k are called like terms because the variables and the exponents of the variables are the same. 2xy2 plus 2x2y is called an unequal term because the variables and the exponents of the variables are not the same. Second, a factor is a number that is evenly divisible by another number. For example, m times n times o or m times m times o The factors are m, n, and o. Okay, next, I am discussing about algebraic calculation operation. First, addition of algebraic forms. 2. Subtraction of algebraic forms. 3. Addition and subtraction of algebraic forms according to rows or columns of similar terms. 4. Multiplication of algebraic forms. First, addition of algebraic forms. The condition for an algebra can be added is that the term must be the same. Hey, do you still remember the meaning of similar types? So that you understand better, let's try to do some of the following example, okay? Example, simplify the form from 5a minus 2b plus 6a plus 4b minus 3c. The solution is easy, really. We only need to arrange or group similar terms. Similar terms mean that the variable must be the same. After grouping, we can just add up the coefficient. 5a minus 2b plus 6a plus 4b minus 3c is 5a plus 6a minus 2b plus 4b minus 3c is 5 plus 6 times a plus minus 2 plus 4 times b minus 3c is 11a plus 2b minus 3c. Second, subtraction of algebraic forms. Just like algebraic addition operations, we can only perform algebraic subtraction operation if the terms are similar. Example, subtract 9a minus 3 from 13a plus 7. 13a plus 7 minus 9a minus 3 is 13a plus 7 plus 3 is 13 minus 7a plus 10 is 4a plus 10. Got it so far? Well, in addition to the methods above, we can also solve algebraic addition and subtraction operation using rows or columns of similar terms. Examples like the following question. Next, addition and subtraction of algebraic forms according to rows or columns of similar terms. Example, 2a plus b plus 3 plus 5a minus 4b minus 5c is 7a minus 3b minus 2c. In the following problem, we just need to arrange to algebraic terms according to the similar variable. Next, multiplication of algebraic form. Let's move on to multiplication operation in algebra, shall we? In contrast to addition and subtraction operation, which can only be solved if the terms are similar. For this multiplication operation, it can be solved whether the terms are similar or not. Oh yes, in algebra, the multiplication symbol is written with x or just separated by brackets. We can solve the multiplication operation of algebraic form using the distributive method. Hey, does anyone remember? Algebraic multiplication between first term and second term. So, according to the distributive method, we just multiply a by b and a by c. Distributive multiplication over addition and subtraction. Addition a times b plus c is b plus ac. Subtraction a times b minus c is ab minus ac. Example, 5 times 3p plus 4q is 15 plus 20q. B. Algebraic multiplication between two terms. The concept is more or less the same as in A. For multiplication between two terms using the distributive method, we just multiply A against C, A against D, B against C, and B against D. A plus B times C plus D is AC plus AD plus BC plus BD. Example, solve multiplication of algebraic forms 2x plus y times 5x minus 3y times 2x times 5x plus 2x times minus 3y plus y times 5x plus y times 3y is 10x squared plus minus 6xy plus 5xy plus minus 3y squared is 10x squared minus 6xy plus 5xy minus 3y squared is 10x squared minus xy minus 3y squared. Okay, last example question and their application in life. Example of application in life: when shopping for a lot of goods, of course we use algebra to calculate everything. For example, Andy buys a book at the price of 2,000 per book and a pencil at the price of 5,000 per pencil. What is the total cost if you buy 5 books and 6 pencils? Okay, thanks for attention, and this is sourced by Ruang Guru. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.